So now we'll be discussing about the 5 must-know golden tips for MCQ solving regarding NEET PG 2021. So the first tip is time is the key. Please don't skip the slide because it's very important. The first thing is 3 types of questions you will encounter: easy questions, moderately easy or tough questions, and hard and factual questions. First, you should attempt the easy questions, which 80% of students can answer without any preparation. Please read them carefully because these are also rank deciding questions. Then the moderately easy or moderately tough questions, which you have prepared for in your 1 year or 6 months of preparation. Read them carefully in the second round and answer. The third round, go through the hard and factual questions, apply some amount of logic, and luck will favor if you are worked hard enough. And so don't forget, 3 rounds you should go through the MCQ question paper. When I say time is the key, please remember that it is the courage to skip questions which take time even if you don't know them. So even if you don't know a question, please remember to skip the questions and don't waste time. It's okay to forget even topics which you have prepared really well. So if you have prepared a topic really well and if you don't remember that, it's okay, because it's not going to decide your rank if you forget one question. Side not affected by posterior cerebral artery infarctus. If you have prepared the posterior cerebral artery territory 4 or 5 times and still you can remember, the answer in this case is basal ganglia, which is applied mostly by the MCA. So even if you can't remember this answer, please don't please don't panic. It's okay to forget, and you should have the attitude like I don't care in between the exam, because you have many more questions to face. So there should be no emotional attachment to any topics, and please don't allow a drop in confidence if you don't find the answer, if you can't get the answer. Please have no drop in confidence. The second question you can see here is the lines of Blaschko. Even if you have prepared this, if you're not able to answer, please don't have a drop in confidence. You should approach the next questions with 100% confidence and just skip this question. So the second tip is to stay calm. So this is one of the very famous dialogue from the movie Bridge of Spies, in which Tom Hanks asks his client whether you never worry, and the answer of the client is, would it help? Similarly, worrying during the exam, it is not going to help but will decrease your rank. So please stay calm. Your rank will naturally go up if you stay calm. Please don't panic. So break the cycle of panic and stay calm. Your rank will naturally go high. So read the questions with 100% confidence. If you don't know them, you have many more questions coming. So the secret key point is building momentum. So you build momentum step by step. So the first easy questions, then the moderately easy or tough questions, and then the hard questions. So naturally you build momentum, then you go in this order. Now, the third tip is factual questions, no blind guesses. So if you make guesses in questions in an exam with the negative marking, you are going to be in the trap, because factual questions are trapped to bring the rank down for those people who attempt those questions, and thus eliminate them from getting good ranks. So please don't attempt these questions. Factual questions are touch me not questions, which are just to bring your rank down. For example, what percentage of MI are STEMI? 20, 30, 40, 50. You might not know this answer. 98% of people won't know the answer. If you attempt, your rank is going to go down. So please don't attempt these questions. The next tip is, the first pick is usually right. The only valuable thing is intuition, said Albert Einstein, sir. So please remember that the first intuition is usually right. Don't change your answer. Don't read too deep and change your answer. But if you have made some mistake during the first time and you're 101% sure you're wrong, please change the answer. But otherwise, don't change your first answer. The next step is contradictory options. You have already got the answer. If you find a question has got 2 contradictory options, please don't read the other options and waste time. Which among the following facts are true about von Geek's disease? You can see 2 contradictory options here. Please don't read this big 2 other options. Type 1 glycogen storage disorder, type 2 glycogen storage disorder. So these are contradictory options. You can pick one among this if you know, well and good. Otherwise, you can make a guess in those exams which has got negative marking when you have eliminated 2 options. So type 1 glycogen storage disease is the answer. Now a quick recap. Time is the key. Go through the question paper in 3 rounds. Stay calm. More you stay calm, better your rank always. Factual questions are actually a trap. Remember this. Please don't attempt them. The first pick is usually right. So always follow your intuition. Don't change your first pick. This is from the personal experience as well. Contradictory options, you have got the answer already. So you can save time when you see contradictory options. Don't go through the other 2 options. So thank you. Hope this video is useful for your MCQ exam, especially the coming NEET PG 2021. All the best. Thank you.